What's going on, everybody? Funky Cyclists here. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for joining me. Today we're in Fairburn, Georgia for the Metro Atlanta Cycling Club One Love Century Ride. Really excited to be here. See you guys in a little bit. The Metro Atlanta Cycling Club One Love Century is a highly anticipated annual event that takes place in Fairburn, Georgia, just outside of the Atlanta area. This event not only brings the cycling community together, but it also raises funds for numerous organizations. This event takes place over the Labor Day weekend with 5 days of riding, including training, pre-rides, the main event on Saturday, and recovery rides. Participants are only required to pay for the main event on Saturday with 4 choices. There's the 30-mile ride, the 44-mile ride, the 62-mile metric century, and the 101 century ride. Conveniently, the MACC worked with major hotel chains in the area to provide discounts for the Hilton and Marriott. I stayed in the Holiday Inn with my rewards program, but there are all great options that are very close to the event. There are also countless restaurants and food options in the area, which are all very convenient. After checking in at the registration table, you'll receive a participant band and also some cool swag to take home. All right, guys, so here we are at the start. Getting ready to kick off. Like they said, the 100 folks go first. Then it'll be the 60 mile, the 44, and then the 30 mile folks. So I'm in the 44 mile group. So we will see how it goes. It should be a lot of fun. A lot of good vibes, a lot of good energy. I'm looking forward to it. See you guys in a little bit. Sir. Thanks for being here. Yes, sir. Take it on in. Yes, sir. Thank you. All right, guys. Here we are at the first rest stop. They're giving a few refreshments. Nice pit stop. It's about 14 miles in. So I'm doing the 44, so I'm just going to keep it going. But it's a nice vibe, man. Real cool energy. Really dope. See you guys in a little bit. Here we are, another climb. 4% grade here. We're getting there. Georgia Hills. Being new to this type of cycling event, I noticed one name that prevailed above all others. It wasn't a bike brand like Specialized, Trek, or Factor, but the name of this legend was found on jerseys and tent size all throughout the venue. So who was this man, and why did he have such a profound impact on the event and this community? Born in Indianapolis on November 26, 1878, Marshall Taylor was one of 8 children. He began working at a bicycle shop where he was not only paid to clean, but also perform bicycle stunts. It was said that he performed in his father's old Civil War uniform jacket, earning him the nickname Major. Taylor became a star athlete of his time, competing in both road and track races. He broke and established multiple world records, setting himself apart from his competitor. Unfortunately, due to racism and inequality, Major's career progression was greatly impacted, and he never reached the levels that he was certainly capable of. This unfair treatment not only affected his career, but also his mental health. Imagine being in a world where you can't excel or get opportunities just because of the way you look. This is something minorities face even today. Facing financial hardship and health issues, Taylor wrote an autobiography that provided insight into his life. He passed away at the age of 53. Today, his amazing legacy inspires many cyclists. With a little research, I was amazed to find so many cycling clubs established in his name throughout the US and even overseas. I'm sure Major will be proud to see people from his community and beyond embrace this sport, which will only continue to grow in the years to come. So we're a little over halfway there for the 44-mile ride. Really good ride so far. Rolling hills, so you get to climb, but then you have the descents. And everything is very smooth. They do a great job helping cyclists get through some of the main corridors of traffic. But other than that, traffic has been great. Thank you. Thank you. All right. 1 mile. All right. So we're getting there. Once your ride is complete, the post-ride celebration is a great vibe with the DJ and some refreshments. Vendors are also present with clothing, bike giveaways, and even opportunities to register for future rides. This event takes place in an amazing area with rolling hills and opportunities to gain some elevation. Choosing the appropriate distance along with the support of other riders is more than enough to conquer this experience. The MACC's intricate planning with location, coordination with local law enforcement, and amazing volunteers made navigating the route a real breeze. Local motorists were some of the most patient and understanding even with all of the riders on the road. The MACC One Love Ride is a powerful celebration of community, family, and unity far beyond a typical cycling event. This ride is a tribute to the sacrifices of past generations, enabling us to inspire and lead the next generation of riders. This is one event that can't be missed. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing rides on the way. See you all soon. Be safe and take care.